In this next section, we'll show off how durable our PIPRD floor signs really are, by doing as much damage as we can to the sign we just installed and seeing how well it holds up. We started off by digging into the sign by twisting our forklift tire directly on top of the sign, followed by a few burnouts, and finally dragging a skid that weighs nearly 650 pounds over the top of the sign. And even in these extreme conditions, our ultra-durable PIPRD floor signs held up fantastically. With just a simple wash, the sign is nearly as good as new. This is also the case for any of our other designs as well. So if you're tired of dealing with your industrial floor signs tearing and failing, give our floor signs a try. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video or found it helpful. If you would like to see any other videos by Pristine Products, you can visit our YouTube page by following the link above. Or if you have any questions or concerns for Pristine Products, you can visit us at PIPRD.com. That's PIPRD.com.